Hey, what's up everyone, it's your boy Alter Tech back again with a new video. In today's video I have a very special unboxing from LG. I have no idea what's inside it, so I figured I'd go ahead and share this experience with you guys. So shout out to LG. Maybe it's some headphones, maybe it's a phone, who knows. So number one, they got my name down right. That's always a good sign. I am number 6. And so let's go ahead and open this box real quick and see what we get. Okay, so this is the LG Velvet. Awesome. This just recently came out. I was actually going to pick one up from T-Mobile. There's a deal on them, as with AT&T if you were to sign up. So there's a bunch of deals with this phone. The future of smartphone design does not have to be bulky and ordinary. LG Velvet goes against the grain with a whole new design language. Interesting. So they have the raindrop camera array, smooth vibes all around with the 3D arc design that gently curves the phone to the palm of your hand. So they're going for pretty much on the design and look of this phone. So okay, all right, cool. Oh, so there's a playbook. What the heck? Do more at once. Optimized for best-in-class 5G performance. So this phone is a 5G phone. This is going to be my first true 5G phone, because I'm actually going to keep this. I had the OnePlus 17 McLaren. That really wasn't a it's a long story. You guys could go ahead and watch my review video on that. It wasn't a great experience. I'm sure now it probably performs better, but this is actually running on AT&T. It's been a year since the OnePlus 17 McLaren was released. I'm pretty sure the performance on the 5G network on T-Mobile was actually better than what it was then. But this so far is looking pretty promising, and I'm super excited. Nice. So we have a playbook, and let's see what we get inside the box. So in the box, guys, you obviously have your phone. It's running on AT&T. And let's see what we get inside the box. This is a huge box. Okay. Oh, sweet. We have the LG dual screen. So I have never owned a dual screen phone. This is going to be my first dual screen phone. Awesome. So I'll open this up in a second. And we have a charging brick. Oh, what's this? LG Velvet. Remove before use. What is this? Is this some kind of charging pod? Oh, it's a pedicure for your phone soap. If the feet of your phone soap start to lose some of the... Okay, so this, I'm guessing, is this one of those sanitizing machines? Let me just go ahead and take this off real quick. I have to... Looks like I was about to buy one of these in Walmart the other day for about 20 bucks. Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. All right, let's get started. And this is actually... Oh, it's a sanitizing station. So you plug it in, you place the phone in the center, you close the lid, do not force shut. After 5 minutes, remove newly sanitized phone. Oh, wow. This is actually something I was really looking forward to getting. So, sweet. And you get a free soap microfiber pad after registering your product. Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. And the inside, if you guys are wondering, it's pretty shiny. You have your UV lights. This is really awesome, especially since I've been really paranoid about cleaning my phone lately. This is really awesome, man. Thank you, LG. And on top of that, you have a USB out, USB-C out, and a USB-C in. So perhaps you could charge your phone while you're using this. I'll have to go ahead. Maybe I could do a separate review on this, because I still gotta test this out. So I'll put this to the side. I want to get a good look at the LG Velvet. Let me see. Let's see what we get inside here. So LG really went for the design aspect on this one. And let me just go ahead and take the sticker off. Wow, check this out. You have a beautiful, I believe this is a platinum finish. You have your teardrop cameras over here. This is way more better than I expected. You guys really have to see this in person to really just appreciate the build on this, the design on this. Wow, it's super thin, guys. Okay, so in the box, you also get, let's see, your instruction manual. You get your charging brick, fast charge. You get your charging cable, your SIM eject tool. Are there headphones inside there? there are no headphones. No big deal. And is there a headphone jack on this phone? That's a good question. Oh wow, so there is a headphone jack. LG kept the headphone jack. Props to LG for that. And what else do we have inside the box? Let's check out the dual screen real quick. Go ahead and open this up. Oh wow. Yeah, so this is definitely a platinum color. And sweet. So this is actually going to protect my phone as well. How to install: slide it down, press the two corners. To remove the two corners, and then slide it back up. Oh sweet. Oh nice. So we do have some extra things like this USB connector. Oh wow, it's magnetic. It's okay, this is pretty cool. It's actually magnetic, and it's using some pretty strong magnets. This is awesome. Sweet. Feels like I'm actually in the future. Let me just go ahead and slide this in like so. Snap it in like so. That was pretty easy. Don't copy. So this is the second screen. You close it. Oh wow, this is actually a really nice, good looking phone. Holy crap. This is actually, I mean, you guys have to see this phone in person. If you guys have T-Mobile or, you know, AT&T or maybe even Verizon, just go into your carrier store and check them out. So while this sets up, everything is looking pretty damn good. The back, everything looks pretty good. The hinges feel pretty good. I'm gonna have to go ahead and test this out. You have your nice LCD display right on top over here. Your speaker cutout over here. In the bottom, speaker cutouts over here. Headphone jack cutout. So LG, you know, this is one of the most fanciest phones I've seen in 2020, and it's not going to cost you near $1,000. I mean, with T-Mobile right now, if you trade in like your LG Stylo 4, 3, whatever it is, you can get $148 off of this. Or if you have another phone like an LG G7 or higher, you could get up to half off. And I believe with AT&T, they're giving you guys the option to go ahead and, you know, sign up and pay about $10 per month to actually own this for about 30 months. I think that's a great deal as well. So depending on your carrier, be sure to check out what deals they're offering. This is looking to be an excellent, you know, device so far. I can't wait to try it out. Very, very premium looking, and it's not going to break your wallet, and it has 5G. Super excited. Can't wait to test this out. If you guys want to see my review on this and my camera testing on this device, be sure to subscribe to my channel. This is Alter Tech signing out. If you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.